ours, 2016 Challenger Scat Pack.
With a little secret something.
Yeah, it's got
Two little secret somethings.
It's got the Hellion Twin Turbos on it. We had this on a dyno before, and I'll bring up the dyno sheets in a little bit. And you know, these things are on a limited fuel system, so the next phase is to build a very, very nice custom fuel system for this, utilizing FORE Innovations twin pumps in the tank and their controller, all custom lines, fuel rails, fittings. Cuddy did a stellar job on this regulator. It's all dialed in, very consistent fuel pressure, and I'm being really careful, you know. So we've made 700 horsepower with one of these, and you know, when it was ours.
Yeah.
Play with. This one here is, we're going to try to keep it under 650, and I pull up the dyno. Yeah. So let me clean these up. I got a bunch of pulls up here. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. There it is. There's the baseline. Oop. So we had a maximum of 5.5 pounds of boost before, and now we're at 9.2. Okay, we went from 647 torque to 708 torque, and from 594 to 644. So approximately 50 horsepower and maybe 50, almost 60 pounds of torque.
So that's just about on track for 14 horse per pound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't want to go any more than that. The 708 torque is probably on the edge a little bit. I am like zero timing down there. Yeah, I'm a zero, no lead. But it's still making great power. 9 pounds of boost is kind of a lot for these engines, but with the spring combinations that we have, we don't have much of a choice. So we have 10-pound springs in it, it makes 9.2. When we had 7-pound springs in it, it made 5.5. So, you know, the spring combinations don't always do exactly what they say they're going to do, but they get you in really close. And you know, I'm happy with that. So the spring combination that we have is the only option we have. There's only 4 springs, and use a combination of 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Not 3, 1 or 2. So there's a big 14. There's a 7-pound spring. There's a 14-pound spring, and then there's a 2. There's a 3 and a 4. So you can mix them up to make your combinations. Cool stuff. It's a little bit heavy on fuel, which I'm going to leave it there, because we now have boost reference fuel pressure, which we didn't have before. So I'm probably going to take a little bit more fuel out of it, because it's like 0.70, and I'd like to be 0.75, 0.76 for pump gas at 9 pounds on this motor. Keep it happy. But there should be a significant kick in the pants. The next phase, we're going to be pulling this motor and putting forge internals in it.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to drop the compression ratio, which will allow us to run a bunch more boost.
Some extra atmosphere.
Yeah, this has the 1050 injectors in it too, which was an upgrade we did, you know, when we did the turbo system. So this has the Hellion Twin Turbo System on it, and into like a factory cat back. You know, we could do some stuff there too. We could put a 3-inch cat back on it. But the next phase is going to be pull this motor and put forge internals in it. So I think I'm going to leave it right where it is, so he can go enjoy it, have some fun with it, and save up for the next phase.
Oh, he's itching to be back. I know that.
Yeah. He's been talking about it. Like, yeah, I can't wait. So it's cool. We're pleased with this level of performance on 93 octane pump gas on a stock engine. So, you know, could we keep turning it up? Yeah, we could, but why break it?
Yeah.
Let's.
It's a good running car. Makes cool noises. Makes a ton of power.
Yeah, and we'll like the first pull I made, it made like 720 pounds of torque. So I pulled a bunch of timing out of it, and I said, okay. See, we got to calm it down a little bit.
Yeah.
It still made 700, so 708. That's gonna be a lot of fun. I mean, 700 pounds of torque at 4,000 RPM is pretty stout.
Can feel that.
Oh yeah, it comes in quick too.
Yeah, I'm surprised at the
These
spool up.
These turbos spool really good. You know, 3,200. It's coming up fast.
Between the manifold,
Yeah.
you know, geometry, turbo sizing, and the piping sizing, this thing wicks up pretty hard.
Yeah. So there's your comparison. So last time it was on the dyno, and this time it's on the dyno. So 594 to 644, it's 50 horse, and 647 to 708, that's 60 foot-pounds, very close. And another successful build.
Oh yeah.
On to the next one, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us, and be sure and like and share these videos. Have a great day.
Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.